Mainstream education or inclusionary education is the best option where possible. So my default is to have meaningful inclusion of the child on the autism spectrum. However, it is important to realize that there may be situations where a school system is not able to provide the supports that an autistic student needs. And for such situations, then a separate placement will be appropriate as long as there are plans to get that child back into an inclusionary setting as soon as possible. Some common accommodations for autistic persons in a mainstream or inclusionary setting include visual supports. So if a teacher is lecturing, a copy of the lecture notes should be provided, graphics whenever possible. We should also make sure that the environment is conducive to learning, which means minimizing noise from ventilation, for example, glare from bright lights. And actually, these accommodations are really extensions of good teaching practice, and when practiced consistently, will help all students.